Hey guys, I'm Brownless from Northwest Barberco. Today we're going to take a look at Uppercut Deluxe Clay. Uppercut Deluxe Clay is a super strong hold product with a really low shine. It stays reworkable all day just like a traditional clay, but because it's water based it washes out really easily. The clay has a hold value of 8 and a shine value of 2. It's fragranced with woods and leather, and it's perfect for adding texture and movement in short to medium length hairstyles. To use, simply take a thumbnail size scoop from the tin and rub it into your hands to warm it up. You want to rub the product in your hands until it almost disappears. Once the product disappeared from your hands, you want to distribute it evenly through the hair, making sure to get all the hair underneath, not just the hair on the top. Once you've got the product in the hair evenly, it's time to add the texture with your fingertips or a wide tooth comb. This hairstyle is going to stay reworkable all day until it's ready to wash out. This is perfect for someone that wants a really strong hold but a natural finish.